and we are going to the Hershey chocolate factory here. So y'all come on and we'll show you what's in there. Hershey, Pennsylvania, on our way home.
So welcome to Hershey, the sweetest place on earth.
And it nothing but farms out through here. And we're coming up on Hershey Park. Pretty big. Wow. Big roller coaster. No. It's winter.
Wintertime.
This is part of the Hershey company.
Hotel Hershey right there. There on the hill.
Go sit up there on the hill. No, Hotel Hershey. Oh look, it's got Hershey on the ground.
It says welcome Hershey.
Where?
Right up around the hill.
Is that the factory?
No, that's a hotel. It says Hotel Hershey. Hershey.
So it says some Hershey. I don't know what it says.
It says welcome to Hershey.
Yeah, it says welcome. That's neat.
Chocolate World Hershey Story Museum downtown. Keep left. Chocolate World Way. It's just a major deal here.
Oh, the tours are free.
Oh, you ready to see the hotel and everything up there now?
Yeah.
Actually, that building right there may not be the hotel. That may be that green top building back there behind it.
Right over there is the hotel.
I bet the green top building is probably the hotel. The other building,
I can't tell.
Chocolate World. Man, look how many people here.
Is this the chocolate factory?
I don't know if it's wrong or not.
We think this is all the people on the tour, and there's a bunch of buses.
I would have never thought it would be this big. It's a major ordeal here.
We never thought there'd be this many people here.
The place doesn't look that big.
Okay, so we're walking to the Hershey factory in Pennsylvania, and I see Virginia tags, license plates. We call them tags in Alabama. That one is Michigan. Our tag is West Virginia, but we're from Alabama. Pennsylvania, Maryland, Pennsylvania. What's that? I don't know what that one is. Georgia, New York. New York has yellow tags. Well, I'll tell you a story about that later. Pennsylvania. We've seen Georgia, New Jersey. So we have seen so many different states here coming to see this. Rodney, I guess, thought it was the only one going to be here. He had no idea it was such a huge thing to come to Hershey company for this tour.
just died down.
We're in the chocolate factory. I have no idea where my family goes. Like that. Create your own candy bar. Hershey Bake Shop. Create your own candy bars. It's for 2 weeks till Easter. Get you a Hershey t-shirt, bunch of Hershey clothes. Get you a One Kiss, 5 for $10 or $2.50.
Yeah. See, look. And multiple ones.
So it's like a box.
Yeah.
So probably what they sell at Sam's or something. So you can get you a whole box of different ones. I'm fascinated at just the gift shop. And here's like an amazing candy machine. We thought that New York shop was neat. What did y'all see this shop? Here's the Hershey chocolate too. Where you stand in line. That's what Hershey, Pennsylvania looks like. It's land and farm. I'm going downstairs.
Meet you at the entrance.
So we got these
See
little
you
cute
inside.
cars.
It's the best we make that's at the heart. Sweet inspiration from the very start. And you can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way. And you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Taste the love.
And when there's little cars.
I'm at the factory, everybody.
Big little cars ran. That's all they were. Where's it?
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Oh, look, there's Hershey's in it. It's called cocoa base. The what? Oh, okay.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumb.
Where? Soccer can play so good. And I got the swirl over there.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell.
Let's see it.
We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi everybody! These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
like Hershey's milk chocolate and special dog bars.
Hey, don't forget Reese's peanut butter cups.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
How? They wrapped them on my house. A busy, busy place.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of
I never say no.
So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Going and looking.
Time to go share some good.
Now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's
These are
Chocolate.
things you get into and you ride. And here's our boys. Here is the Hershey Park.
In half of a mile, right turn onto West Chocolate Avenue.
We're going to a pizza place.
They got a water park here too.
Italian place. They got a water park? Yeah, here's the water park. Wow. So there's so much to do in this town. It's just not the chocolate factory. And the chocolate factory, we did a short tour.
4D theater. There's a trolley ride.
Yeah, around the town.
There's you
What's
can make
this?
you can make your own candy bar.
Capital Blue.
Maybe one of the rides. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it could be.
There's something else too. I don't know what that. There's 4 different things you can do. But I recommend if you come here to do those, you book them in advance because
Oh yeah.
most of the things were sold out for the day.
And it looked like schools were here. Like it was a
Like
field trail.
The trolley ride was sold out for the day. The make your own candy bar was sold out for the day. And
Next right.
This is the town.
this is downtown Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Yes, it is raining.
Chocolate Avenue.
Who's that?
Your destination is ahead.
So here's where you can watch the Hershey story. A neat little town.
You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished.
Let's see it.